Thank you for touring this home. Please contact me if you have any questions. Beautiful custom home built by Alan Schrader. Relax on the screened-in porch and watch the wildlife, or hop on your kayak and paddle on the pond. Great location outside city limits, high-speed internet available. Split bedroom floor plan, safe room, laundry room with folding table and sink, kitchen cabinets have pull-out drawers, walk-in pantry. Tin ceilings, hardwood and tile floors throughout. Tankless gas water heater. Whole home generator, washer and dryer, refrigerator, and large fireproof gun safe all convey. 35'X40 red iron metal shop middle bay door is 12'X12 and 2 outside bay doors are 10'X10, plenty of room to fit the camper, boat, etc. HVAC and septic have been maintained on service plans. Gated property with long concrete circle driveway and partially fenced. Bryant School District.